Weston Williamson Plus Partners is an architectural firm, part of the AEC group that operate across all the globe. We have three core principles where we base all our projects. We are people-focused, we are socially aware, and we care about the environment and the planet. For this reason, to understand the outcome of our design is incredibly important. When we receive a site, we feel the responsibility to leave the site better of how we found it. Yes, we need to build because there is a shortage of housing and there is the need of creating a space for people for living. But when we do it, we need to be aware of the impact of this. We want to understand if our building is creating a neat island or if to stay outside of our building is pleasant. We want to understand the carbon footprint of the building because everything will have an impact of how we will live tomorrow, not only on the site but in the entire planet. The idea to have data about sustainability simultaneously while we create our design is an incredible factor that is changing the way that we work, because in the past we always thought about sustainability, but there was a long process that we had to go through to have the data and so implement it in our project. Now with AI and with software like Forma, we can have the access to data and we can evaluate what we are doing in a concept phase of the project. It's everything available when we design, not after. It's not a validation, it's a form of design. With Forma, we had the possibility to evaluate wind speed and the comfort of the outdoor space. We had the possibility to understand what is the impact of the sun on the facade of our project. On a big project where we had to present to the client several options. Client preferred the option that we defined with Forma. They liked the story behind the presentation because it was based on the outcome, and that was for us a big achievement, I think.